So now we are looking forward to your questions, and we try to answer some of them in the live session. But the first one that we have on the agenda is this one. Does this test validate that the control passes the tests according to the BDEW? And is the inverter power system simulated or used in a combined P-hill simulation? So maybe one of the AIT team members could look into this.
Of course, it's always depending on the in-depth modeling of the power electronics. If you model something in Typhoon Hill, which is not actually the real design of your inverter, then the outcome will be different. But every engineer should know the design of his inverter, and if you know all the power electronics, the PWM switching frequency, the design, the DC, the AC filtering, then you can expect that the outcome of the Typhoon Hill simulation of the toolbox, of the PWM toolbox, is in principle the same as it will be for the real device. So it's depending on the modeling, on the information, the in-depth modeling of the power electronics.
Thank you, Georg. Thank you very much. And we have additional questions pouring in, so we'll try to answer some which are probably relevant for the whole audience. So this looks like such a question. So do you use classical controller types such as PI or PID, or more sophisticated types?
Well, usually we do more sophisticated types, yeah.
Okay, thank you. And we also have a question that seems to be relevant for the whole audience. How has the model been generated which is used for validation? Is it possible to customize it?
The generation of the model was part of our research work. So we have a design specialist, Zoran Miletić, and he is very experienced in making the designs of PV inverters and controllers. And we tried to generate the SGC, so Smart Grid Converter platform, which is suitable to cover all those applications. Or I can jump back to the slide. So those are the applications which can all be matched by this Smart Grid Converter design. Of course, it's not a basic design. It's a very sophisticated design with multi-level control and different buses and generations, and this was part of the research work. It's not something which we copied from anyone, but it was made in-house of the power electronic team of AIT.